These are the typical components you will be getting with a bulk rack system. You will be getting 2 uprights, beams, and wire deck. Quantities of beams and wire differ depending on number of levels needed. Begin by someone holding the frames and another person setting in the first beam level. Count the appropriate number of holes and set the level. Verify the clip is clicked into the keyhole. Repeat the process on the other side and click in the beam. Hammer it in when the beam is connected to both uprights. It is important to make sure that the pin is indeed clicked into the keyhole. Repeat the process on all levels. The last step is adding in the wire deck. The easiest way to do this is by holding it in the middle, placing it over the edge of the beam, and dropping it in. Replicate this process for all levels. This is your finished unit of bulk rack.